Welcome to CarParts.com. Today, we're talking headlights. Cars come with a variety of trims and packages, which can impact the type of headlight they have. But don't worry, figuring out which headlight you need is easier than you might think. There are three common types of headlights: halogen, HID, sometimes referred to as xenon, and LED. And determining your headlight bulb type is important because they are not interchangeable. For example, we have two Honda Accord headlights here. However, one has halogen bulbs while the other is LED. And over here we have two Infiniti G35 headlights, also with two bulb types. This one is halogen and this one is HID. They look almost identical, but have different connector plugs, which is what will determine if it fits your car. Later in this video, we'll go over the characteristics of each bulb. The simplest way to identify the type of lights your car has is to look at their beam pattern. In a dark space, pull your car up to a wall where your light beam is clearly visible. If your vehicle has halogen lights, they will shine yellow. The older your car, the more likely it is to have halogen lights. HID bulbs shine white and brighten for a second after they turn on, reaching full power after a few seconds. And finally, LED bulbs also shine a bright white, but turn on instantly. They're also becoming increasingly common in new cars. Another way to figure out your headlight type is to remove the bulb from behind the headlight assembly. To do this, refer to your owner's manual. Be sure your car is turned off, and we recommend wearing gloves when handling lights. On this Honda Accord halogen headlight, you remove the bulb by simply pinching this tab, removing the wired connection, and then gently twisting the base of the bulb and pulling it out of the housing. If your car has halogen lights, the bulb should look similar to this one. It has a traditional filament inside the housing. This Infiniti G35 headlight has an HID bulb. You remove the bulb in the same fashion as the halogen bulb, but you'll notice a difference in the way the bulb looks. If your car has HID lights, the bulb will look something like this, with a return wire running from the top to the bottom. And finally, this Honda Accord light housing is the same year, make, and model as the one we showed earlier with a halogen bulb, but this one is LED. When you look at the back of the housing, you'll notice that you cannot access the bulb. That's because, unlike the other two bulb types, LED bulbs cannot be replaced. If your LED bulb needs to be replaced, you will need to replace the entire housing. Once you remove the bulb, they will have a number written on it. Using that number, check the headlight section of your owner's manual to see your vehicle's headlight type. By following these steps, you'll be able to find the right headlight for your vehicle. If you need additional assistance, our friendly customer service team is ready to answer your questions. Thanks for joining us to talk about headlights. For more car content, follow @CarParts.com on your favorite social channel or check us out on YouTube.
Quality parts, priced right.